Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. All right, today we're going to look at a pressure washer. I got this pressure washer in. It was sent to me so I could do a review. So let's take a look at it. And here's what it looks like when you get it. Got an instruction manual. It has 4 different tips you can use. Each one has a higher pressure. So you start real low and you can go up to higher pressure. And it's got your wand and your hoses and everything else here. So let's see if we can get this put together. All right, got it all together here. It's really easy to put together. It's got these little things here, these little nozzles. It's got 4 different ones according to whatever you're cleaning. It has ones that are really narrow so you can get like concrete and stuff like that. Then it has ones that are wider so you can get a larger area. These go in real easy. It's got the quick release, so it's real easy to change. Also has this soap bottle here. This is really neat. I had one where you had the soap bottle on the bottom and you had to fool around, and this one is really neat to get it to happen here. You just turn that and then you put this in like that, and then you have your soap. So that's really neat. So that's that. And one thing I really liked about this, so this has a handle on it like you'd have on your luggage. So when you need it out, you take it out, but when you're not using it, you can put it all the way down, and so then it's a very nice and compact footprint. It's got a really long cord and got a really long hose. So let's get out there and see what this thing does. I'm gonna see how this thing works getting this mold and mildew off the side of the house here. As you can see, it looks really bad. So let's see what this does.
Nice that works. It's right off the house. Look at all that green. As you can see, as it goes down, it disappears. I love it. It's making this house look so good. It's really nice.
Let's see what it does on a car. Look at that. I love this soap function. I had one that you had to put it in a bottle, and I didn't like that. This is nice. Soap down your car really good. Look at that. We'll let that soak in a little bit. And then we'll spray it off. concrete too. This is neat. This thing works really good. I really like that these things have a plastic thing on them. So if you're going on the car and you get too close, you're not going to scratch your car too bad. So it helps to keep you from hurting whatever you're spraying. So yeah, this is really neat. I love this thing. It's very handy. It's not very loud. And so yeah, it's a really neat addition to my garage. And there it is. It's really nice and compact. I like that it's not very big. And like I said, it's not very noisy. And it just does a really great job. And they got the 4 different nozzles you can use according to what you need. And yeah, so this thing is sweet. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. May the good Lord take a liking to you.